Hello from Slovenia again. I have a really messy table, so if you watched my previous pour, you know why. I will just reuse this little paint that it's left in my split cup. I will just scrape a little bit of the colors that I still have in my cup, top it up with white. Oop. And then do another magic wand pour. So we will see what will happen. If you don't try, you don't know. So the colors are 24K gold, Payne's gray, red violet, blue violet, cyan blue. I will just, pour paints in. I have more of some of them, less of others, but just use those paints up and see if we can create something nice. So the blue goes here. This is cyan blue. Other colors, I have to go once more. Payne's gray, gold, iridescent blue-green by Pebeo, permanent blue-violet, permanent red-violet, and of course, as I said, titanium white. Just not a lot of the colors. And now I will just pour titanium white in there. And I have a little more of the Payne's gray left, so I will just pour this on top too. Okie doke. I really enjoy this magic wand pours lately. I will just go kind of quick right now. And now I will go slower. Zigzag a little bit. I will just change the orientation. I will go with my left hand. I don't know if I can even pour with my left hand. Now let's wait for drips, because I love the pattern of the drips. This one will be really gold, I think. And because I have quite a lot of drips here, just with a little bigger palette knife, I will scoop those and add it around for a flow extender, kind of. This will be tilted off so it will not stay, doesn't matter, kind of, just to make sure that I will have enough paint. I don't want drips to go all over, so I will just let's see what we got here. Stretch this a little bit and then I will probably spin it out. Spin. Okay, now I will look at it. Kind of want to tilt it more to that side. Let's see. Just want to tilt that corner off. Now I can go back. Okay, so here she is. Really, really different result. I don't know if I don't know why this part is so different. I don't know. But the details are gorgeous. And this pop of this blue, just beautiful. I think it's not bad at all, but just this part, we will see how it will dry. So this week I did 3 paintings with same colors with total different result. If you didn't watch the previous 2, please do.